Canadians got a chance to hear from Michelle OBonsawin. She's the first Indigenous person to be nominated to sit on the Supreme Court of Canada. This afternoon, she appeared before the committee looking into her appointment. As the CBC's Paige Parsons reports, she discussed her experience and offered some fun facts as well.
A truly historic moment for Canada.
Michelle OBonsawin introduced herself to legislators on Parliament Hill.
We also have 8 chickens and a gecko named Lizzie. I love to read, and when time permits, I love to sneak in a little round of golf.
OBonsawin will be the first Indigenous person to sit on the court. She is Abenaki from Odanak. The 48-year-old grew up in a small Francophone community in rural Ontario. She practiced employment and labor law before being appointed to the Ontario Superior Court of Justice in 2017.
My own teachings as an Indigenous young woman have helped me along the way. And I would hope that people would say as a judge that I'm compassionate, I listen, and I make sound judgments.
The Parliamentary Committee is able to ask questions, but it's ultimately up to the Prime Minister who gets appointed. The Federal Justice Minister also answered questions today.
It's a great honor for me to speak to you in support of the nomination of the Honourable Justice Michelle OBonsawin, a nominee of the Supreme Court of Canada.
OBonsawin is set to replace outgoing Justice Michael Moldaver, a jurist celebrated for expertise in criminal law.
What attributes, what specific experience level would Justice OBonsawin have to replace that considerable expertise of Justice Moldaver?
There is an accumulated expertise on the court, and Justice OBonsawin is going to add to that expertise in criminal law.
OBonsawin brings significant experience in mental health law and is an expert in Gladue principles, which ensure judges consider background factors such as intergenerational trauma when sentencing an Indigenous person.
It's an important appointment, but it's really important that the narrative doesn't become job done, mission accomplished. Because the fact is there are continuing to be serious, outstanding systemic barriers to Indigenous people and for their participation in the Canadian legal system.
OBonsawin is scheduled to be sworn in early September. Paige Parsons, CBC News, Ottawa.